Don't tell your kids about this video. They might never stop playing with Playground AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you a walkthrough of Playground AI, a fantastic tool for creating unique AI-generated images. Let's dive right in. First, head over to playgroundai.com and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll see various options on the main interface that will allow you to start creating. Let's begin with the presets feature. Currently, there are two preset options available: fantasy worlds and real portraits. These presets give your creations a distinct style. If you're looking for something imaginative and magical, go for fantasy worlds. But if you're aiming for realistic images, then real portraits is the way to go. Next, there's the aspect ratio feature. This allows you to choose the dimensions of your image, whether you want a square format, a widescreen, or any other ratio that fits your needs. Now, on to speed and quality settings. You'll see two options here: fast and high quality. If you're in a hurry, choose fast for quicker results. But if you want those high-quality polished images, go for high quality. Keep in mind that to generate high-quality images, you'll need to buy the Pro plan. Playground AI also has an image-to-image feature. Here you can upload your own image and use it as the base to create something new. This is a great option if you want to build on a specific concept or modify an existing design. You can also select how many images you want to generate at once, which is helpful if you want multiple variations. Additionally, there's an advanced settings section that allows for even more customization, giving you control over the finer details. Here, you can fine-tune the generation process with features like model selection, where you can pick different AI models for varying image styles. You can also exclude certain objects or details from your image if you don't want them to appear. There's an option for seed if you want to replicate a specific output, and control traits, which lets you adjust finer characteristics of the image. Now let's move to the prompt box, where it says, "Describe your image and get playful." This is where you enter your creative ideas. For example, let's type in, "Create a hybrid vehicle combining a sleek, luxury Rolls-Royce Phantom with a modern high-performance motorcycle." The vehicle should have the front grille, headlights, and signature design elements of the Rolls-Royce Phantom merged seamlessly with the exposed frame, handlebars, and wheels of a motorcycle. The overall look should blend elegance and power with a polished finish, luxurious details, and a futuristic aesthetic. Click the Create button. And after a short wait, here's the amazing result. This tool allows you to be as creative as you want. You can also download the image directly if you want to save it for later or share it with others. Let's try another example. Create a hybrid creature combining the powerful, majestic features of a lion with the small, delicate characteristics of a rabbit. The creature should have the muscular body, mane, and fierce expression of a lion, but with the soft fur, long ears, and gentle face of a rabbit. The overall design should blend strength and cuteness with a harmonious mix of both animals' traits. Click the Create button. And after a short wait, here's the amazing result. This tool allows you to be as creative as you want. Here's one more example. Design a fantastical creature that merges the mighty presence of an elephant with the ancient wisdom of a turtle. Imagine the massive, sturdy legs and trunk of an elephant, but with a large protective turtle shell on its back. The skin should have the rough, textured feel of both animals, with intricate patterns etched onto the shell, symbolizing strength and endurance. The creature should exude both power and tranquility. And after a short wait, here's the amazing result. You can also download the image directly if you want to save it for later or share it with others. Playground AI also offers the ability to create variables under the Actions menu. This is useful if you want to reuse certain components in different designs. It saves you time and helps maintain consistency across your projects.
A few inches later.
Before I wrap things up, don't forget to check out the Explore option in the top left corner. Here you can browse through images that other users have created using their own imaginative prompts. You can even download some of these creations for inspiration. Now let's test one of the presets. I'm going to select Fantasy Worlds and see how it affects the style of the image. After generating, you can see how this preset really adds a magical, otherworldly feel to the design. And that's a wrap on this Playground AI tutorial. I hope you found this helpful and inspiring. As you can see, the possibilities are endless with Playground AI, and it's an amazing tool to let your creativity run wild. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.